All right, now we're going to go backwards and write equations of trig functions from a graph. Okay, so the first one's just practice. We obviously know this is a line. So my y-intercept is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my slope is down 5 over 2. So my slope is negative 5 halves. My y-intercept is 5. So my equation of my line would be negative 5 halves x plus 5. Okay, so number 2. First of all, we got to figure out what we're looking at. So it's got one cycle there from 0 to 2 pi. This is a sine graph. There's my amplitude. My amplitude is 3. My period is 2 pi. That's when my graph starts over. It starts at 0 and then it goes to 2 pi. So now we need to find b and c, essentially. So my period equation is 2 pi over b. Well, now I want to solve that guy for b. So that means that b is 2 pi divided by my period. Okay, so we have a sine graph. So y equals 3 sine. And now we need to find b. So b is 2 pi divided by my period, which is 2 pi. So this guy's 1. So we could say 1x, or y equals 3 sine of x. All right, number 3. We've got one cycle. This guy's a cosine graph. My amplitude is 2. My period is pi. So b is 2 pi divided by pi. So my b value is 2. So y equals 2 cosine of 2x. All right, number 4. We've got a lot going on here with number 4. So, first of all, there's the origin there at 0, 0. So this guy, my graph is moved down. So first of all, let's find one cycle. Okay, so we just want to focus on here. We don't care about the rest of this because we just want to look at one cycle. So if I look at one cycle, this guy is my sine graph. All right, this is my amplitude. So my amplitude goes from positive 1 to negative 2. So my amplitude is 3. My period is pi. And there's a vertical translation because my graph is down. Starts down here at negative 2. Alright, so y equals negative 3 plus 3 sine of, we better figure that out. So b is 2 pi divided by pi. So 2x. Alright. Number 5. This guy's a sine graph, but he's a negative sine graph. Okay, my period. This one's a little bit different. Well, let's do amplitude first. So here's my amplitude, or here's my amplitude. So my amplitude is 4. My period. Well, first of all, we need to find the length of my period. So my period is 1.5 minus a negative 0.5. So my period is 2. So my b value is 2 pi divided by 2. So pi. Now I need to find c. Well, my phase shift was negative c over b. So if I solve this guy for c, c is negative b, or negative phase shift, it doesn't matter, times my phase shift. This guy right here is my phase shift. Okay, so I'm running out of room. All right, there's B, there's A. Let's find C. So negative pi times negative 1/2. So positive pi over 2. So this guy is y equals, he's a negative sign, my amplitude is 4. B is pi x plus c. Okay, last one. First of all, we have to find out where one cycle is. Well, one cycle gives me to here. So I don't care about any of this. Again, he's another negative sign. Amplitude is 5. My period goes from 2 to 0, so my period is 2. So B is 2 pi divided by 2, so he's pi. No phase shift, so, oh, that was fancy. So y equals negative 5 sine of pi x. So I can find the equation of a trig function given my graph.